Greeting guys, this video is meant for student and learners. Everyone who's learning, everyone is going to write the exam. So this motivation here today is represented by Natamela Nemawola. Some they call me master. So it's the exam time and some students are about to give up. Things they experience during exam time, the things that like when you are in exam, like you experience, you feel, and then like they make you feel exhausted, and then you start doing them so that you can avoid to read your books, so that you can avoid to work on that. So sometimes you will feel too much hungry, you just want to eat the whole day, you just feel like you're hungry and you can't do anything at all. Then sometimes you frequently want to sleep, you just want to sleep, you don't want to work, you don't want to study at all, you don't want to touch your books. Your mind say, okay, touch my books, but yourself say, okay, no, I want. Your body says, no, sleep, sleep, you are tired, you always feel tired. This is the things that you experience, with many of the students they experience when they are writing the exam, and we have to deal with them today. How are we going to deal with them? I'm going to tell you. Sometimes your friends and your families, they start to go out too much. They go out, and so that your mind get distracted because they are going out, you have to sit down in your table and you read your books, and they start going out. Sometimes you want to follow them because like you know that when they go out, they're going to spend money, they're going to go to a good restaurant, they're going to drink, they're going to eat, and they're going to enjoy themselves, and you have to stop. So all these things that I'm mentioning, they all happen when you're about to get busy with your exam so that you don't study. And after when you are done with your exam, you find that nobody, you are no longer feeling hungry, you can go the whole day without eating, you don't want to sleep, you find that nobody is going out, you are just sitting down, all of you are bored. And then the other thing again, you receive too much phone calls. They will call you, but when you are not writing, if you check properly in January, February, there nobody was calling them, you are the one calling, hello, hello. But because now you're about to get busy, you're about to shape your future, because that exam, it means a lot to you. When you pass the exam, it means a step up in life. So they start calling you. And then the other things that they do, or what happens when you are during the exam period, when you have to study your book, some people around you, they start fighting with you, they start unnecessary fight with you. Is these things that I'm mentioning now, they are just there so that they can distract you, so that you can stop reading your book, so that you can fail that exam. So those are the challenges in this universe we are living, that many of people, many of the students, many of the learners will experience. You experience when it's about exam time, because you have to be focused, because the exam need all your focus. The other thing, that you start loving doing things that are not related to your studying. For example, you start wanting to wash dish plates too much, you just wanted to clean around, you know that you can only wash dish once, but you just keep watching them every minute, every 30 minutes, you just want to wash, you just want to clean, you just give yourself unnecessary jobs that you're not supposed to be doing them at that time. And you keep noticing unnecessary mistakes. You know that at the beginning, when it was February, March there, you could see the kettle on the table, but you will leave it. But now you start noticing, oh, this kettle is not supposed to be there, it's supposed to stay there. Yes. So all these things that are happening when it's exam time, they are there to distract you. They just want to distract you. When you're done with your exam, they are gone. Nothing will be happening. You're going to leave that kettle again the same way you saw it. So be careful about all these things that I've just mentioned now. Be careful of them. So how to overcome exam frustration? Create your own study timetable and stick on it. You write, when you get your timetable for exam, you also create your timetable, that this time I will study this time I'll study this. When you already created your timetable, and when you're about to stick on it, when you start studying, when, let's say for example, at 9 a.m. you're going to be starting statistics, Then 9 a.m. switch. Maybe if you are going to study statistics for 2 hours, switch off your phone before you start. Switch off your phone. When you switch off your phone, you are going to avoid those who are going to be calling you, which means like. And then the second thing, during your break time, watch motivation videos. When I say watch motivation videos, they are going to encourage you, they are going to remind you that look, you can do it. You are born to be great. You are born to overcome it. And when you watch those motivational, they are going to tell you, they are going to, you might bump into a motivational whereby it's going to tell you also, like this motivational video that I'm doing here with you guys, you are listening, is going to also help you that remember these things, that all the thought that are generated in your mind, they are just there to distract you. Ignore them. You're going to have that ability to ignore all those thoughts that comes that want to distract you in your studies when you're about to study. And then encourage yourself. Have faith that you can do it too. If who and who did it, you can also do it. So in exam time, you're going to approach people, they're going to tell you this module is hard. Yes, it's hard. But if there is somebody who have done it before, I can also do it. You can tell yourself that if there is someone who have done it before, I can also do it. There are many people that will tell you computer science is hard, actual science is hard. Okay, it's hard, but if who and who, I know people who have done that. If who and who have done it, I can also do it. If this man do it, he can also do it. If this man is good with this module, if master is good with programming, I can also be good with programming. You motivate yourself, you encourage yourself, you uplift yourself. So that's what you have to do. And you keep praying. Praying every time will help you to reduce a lot of things, like a lot of thinking. You pray that God give me strength so that I can pursue, so that I can go further, I can keep going. That's why, like, if you go even in the Bible, then you will read when they say, I can do all things through Christ who strengthen me. You can read also those, you must also read the Bible every 30 minutes, 20 minutes of yourself reading the Bible, so that you can get also encouraged, and you keep going and you write your exam, you pray. But don't read the whole day the Bible. Read the Bible 20 minutes. If during the exam time, take your 2 hours, read your books, because without reading the book, there is no miracle that will make you pass your exam. There is another saying which says, the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. So this is just a say that I said, let me share up with you about. So to learn more, you can visit my YouTube channel. I normally like upload videos for maths, for grade 12 university, and also the programming videos for university student, for C++. Others, they are coming for Python and Java. Soon they will be there. To be in my YouTube channel, you can click in the QR code that I've there in the picture. You can see it. You can just scan it using your phone, and then, or you can just go to YouTube. You just type Matamela Nemabora, then you're gonna be there exactly in my YouTube channel. Thank you. The guy who was speaking to you, normally they call me master. Let me just say I'm master. That's my cell phone number, 0723373640. If you need help with programming, if you need help with mathematics from university level, I teach all the maths from university level, from first year to final year. And then if you need help with grade 12, yes, still grade 12, I'm just gonna accept grade 12, or even grade 11, I'm gonna accept it, but I don't teach lower level. So you can just WhatsApp me. I'm always available to respond, and I respond fast in WhatsApp when you WhatsApp. And then thank you guys for watching this video. I hope, and then I wish you all the best with your exam. And then if you do it right, you're gonna get it right.